Hey beautiful people, today I have a special treat for you, an energizing beetroot blood builder juice that's packed with nutrients to boost your energy and improve your overall health. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my juicing adventures. The ingredients you will need for this vibrant and energizing juice are beetroot, apples, carrots, lemon, and ginger. Chop everything into smaller pieces so they fit easily into the juicer. No need to peel the beetroots and carrots if you wash them well. Their skins are packed with nutrients. Watch how all these beautiful colors mix together to create a vibrant, nutrient-dense juice. Look at that stunning color. You can already tell how energizing this juice is going to be. is not only tasty, but also a fantastic way to boost your blood health and energy levels naturally. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing juice recipes. And let me know in the comment section what other juices you like to see next. Happy juicing!